In July, a client from Egypt visited our factory specifically to conduct a comprehensive acceptance inspection of the custom molds ordered for their FRP products. This collaboration began with preliminary technical discussions, during which we provided tailored solutions and mold designs based on the client's specific product requirements. Throughout the manufacturing process, the client continuously monitored production progress and placed special emphasis on verifying key structural elements, dimensional accuracy, and molding details to ensure the final product met all operational requirements. After the molding was completed, the customer participated in the installation and debugging on site and supervised the molding effect throughout the process. During the trial run, the molding performance was excellent. The products featured precise dimensions and superior surface quality, with all metrics meeting the expected standards. The client spoke highly of the mold quality. This acceptance process not only verified the reliability of the equipment and molds but also further demonstrated our professional expertise in the field of custom FRP equipment and molds.